for us, Thought Exchange is unlocking people's feelings, their thoughts, their perceptions in a way that's very different than it ever has been before. We're seeing much more about who human beings are and how they feel, and giving people the freedom to express that in ways that we haven't before, which really drives this very emotional, very human-centric, child-centric, family-centric, right motivation-centric type of conversation that we maybe haven't had before, just because of the way the tool can be used, the way it's so open, the way it's honoring kind of the greatness with every person, the great ideas that every person has. It doesn't ever shut down anybody's conversation, it just expands upon it. So we have found Thought Exchange to be this incredible partner of people focused on kids, focused on families, and the power of asking for feedback and engaging human beings in a conversation about the hopes, dreams, desires that they might have in a very different way that allows them to drive the conversation, and in doing so engages them much more further in accomplishing goals and accomplishing great things for children and families. Thought Exchange has been a great partner in helping us develop those types of strategies and that relationship, that trust, that humanity with our community.